Okay, first of all, fold the paper in half diagonally twice, so the two corners touch each other, and then open it up and do the other side. So again, diagonally. Okay, now make sure that the paper is flipped over. So you're going to flip the page over onto the other side, and now you're going to fold in half horizontally like this. It's the opposite of diagonally. And we're just going to unfold when we do that once only. And now we can push those two folds inwards since we folded them in different directions. So we're just going to push those two horizontal folds inwards, and it's going to become like a triangle like this. I'm just going to crease. And now we're going to take those corner pieces, and we're going to fold them up to the top, like that, on both sides. So again, just crease it, and then you're going to flip it over, and then do the exact same on the other side. So again, just fold those corners into the center so they align like that. Now we're going to fold those two other triangle pieces into the middle line like that. So again, there's going to be triangle pieces on the edges. You're going to fold those into the middle line, and then do that on the other side like that. And now we're going to take those top two triangle pieces, and we're going to fold them over top of those triangles that are into the center like that. And then we're just going to fold them and compact them in so it fits onto those middle triangles. And then do it on the other side also, so again, just triangles over top of those other triangles like that. And now we're just going to crease. Okay, so now we're going to actually open up that middle triangle thing. We're going to be able to, if you just put your finger inside like that, and we're going to push those triangles that were folded on top of them into those triangles into the center like that, into that hole in the center like that. So we're going to open it up and push that triangle piece into there like that. And then do it on the other side. Okay, and then crease it, and then do it on the other side also. So again, just open up those middle triangles. Like that, and then just push that thing inside again. And again, and then that's it. So then crease. And now you can open it up, and then you see that hole on one side. You're going to blow into that. Just blow into it, and then boom, you have a balloon. That's it. See ya.